There have been calls on social media for him to run as mayor of Bacolod City. Former Negros Occidental Representative Albee Benitez, however, is not eyeing the City Hall in his return to politics. Netizens initiated a call for Benitez to run as mayor, hoping that his return to politics will spark a new chapter in Bacolod City. Benitez dismissed the clamor for him to challenge the leadership of Mayor Bing Leonardia. He says he wants to focus on his work. The billionaire had been busy holding economic consultation in the province. He has also helped transport 14,400 vials of Sinovac vaccine to Negros Occidental. The COVID-19 vaccines from the Department of Health were transported using the private plane of Benitez.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.